Section 5.5, Multiplying Polynomials. To multiply, remember you need to add the exponents and you multiply the coefficients. So if you have 2x squared times 4x to the fifth, when you multiply the 2 times the 4 for the coefficients, you get an 8. When you're adding the exponents, 2 plus 5, you get 7. So 8x to the 7th. 3x times 4x squared. Again, this is not adding, so you can combine these because you're multiplying. So 3 times 4 is 12. This is x to the first times x to the second, so it's 2 plus 1, so I get x to the third. So 12x to the third. If I just have a number out in the front times 6x, it's basically 2 times 6 to get the 12, and the x carries through. The 3x to the third, and parentheses all the other terms, the 3x to the third is distributed. So 3x to the third times 2x squared, that's going to give me a 6, and I'm adding my exponents, so 6x to the fifth. 3x to the third times a minus 5x is going to be minus 15 when I multiply 3 times minus 5. X to the third, and this is x to the first, that makes x to the fourth. 3x to the third times a 1 is just 3x to the third. Now if I have x plus 1 parentheses x minus 2, I'm multiplying binomials. I'm going to take the first term, which is my x, and distribute it over the x minus 2. So x times x is x squared. X times a minus 2 is a minus 2x. Then I take the 1 and I distribute that. 1 times x is x, and 1 times a minus 2 is a minus 2. After you're done, you will have terms to combine. If you do it in the order that I did it in, the two middle terms will always combine. So x squared minus 2x plus x is a minus x and a minus 2. If I have x minus 2 times x minus 6, again, the x is distributed. X times x is x squared. X times a minus 6 is a minus 6x. Minus 2 times x is a minus 2x, and minus 2 times a minus 6 is a positive 12. Again, combining your like terms, x squared minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8x plus 12. If I have x plus 4 times x plus 3, again, x times x is x squared. X times 3 is plus 3x. Positive 4 times x is plus 4x. 4 times 3 is plus 12. Combining my like terms in the middle, I have x squared. Notice when I'm combining these, I keep the variable as an x, because this is adding. So 4 and 3 is 7x plus 12. So x squared plus 7x plus 12. If I have y minus 4 times 3y minus 2, again I distribute. The y times 3y is 3y squared. Y times a minus 2 is minus 2y. Distribute the minus 4. So that's going to be minus 12y. Minus 4 times minus 2 is a positive 8. Again, combine your like terms. So you have 3y squared minus 14y, so minus 2y minus 12y is minus 14y plus 8. If I have x plus 1 times x squared plus x plus 2. Again, the first x will be distributed, but this time it's going to be distributed 3 times. So x times x squared is x to the third. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is plus 2x. Distribute the 1. 1 times x squared is still x squared. 1 times x is still x. 1 times 2 is plus 2. Now I just have to look for my similar terms. There's my x squareds that I'll combine. I only have 1x to the third, so that's there. X squared and x squared, that's 2 of them. 1 plus 1 is 2, so it's 2x squared. 2x plus a x. 2 and 1 is 3, so it's 3 on my x's plus 2.